Hello guys, welcome to Kamla Kitchen. Thank you for being here. So today guys, we are going to make some chicken curry or curry chicken. So this is the chicken here. It's already cut and washed up. For the ingredients for the chicken, we have garam masala, turmeric, we have curry powder and jeera in this bowl here. Over here I have garlic, pepper, onion. Here's some ginger. We have some fresh turmeric, fresh pine thyme, fresh broadleaf thyme, fresh celery, fresh parsley. And we also have some green seasoning, some shallots here. And we have some potato, which we also going to put in the chicken curry. So today guys, I want to show you guys step by step how we're gonna do this chicken curry. So we're gonna start by blending up the seasoning. It's a nice day today guys. It's a beautiful day. We are not cooking in the kitchen. We just getting everything prepared inside, but we actually gonna bunch this curry outside. Nice fresh chicken from the farm. So we're gonna blend all this seasoning guys: garlic, pepper, onion, broadleaf thyme, cardamom thyme, fine thyme, and then we're gonna show you the next step. We also have fresh turmeric, fresh ginger, fresh pepper. Guys, here is the green seasoning is already blended up for the chicken curry. That's okay now. You can take it out. And here on this side we got this scallion cutting up, or shallot, and the onion also for the chicken curry. So here we have everything going on. So we're gonna take you guys outside now. Yes. So yeah, go ahead. So guys, yes, now we're gonna bungee the chicken curry. So we're actually gonna fry up the onion, peppers and stuff, and then we're gonna bungee it. Frying up the pepper, the onion. masala, garam masala, jeera, curry powder, and turmeric. Mix everything in the bowl, and then we're gonna bunge it. She is in the kitchen. She's busy over there. These are my little plants then, guys. Welcome to Kamla Kitchen, guys. Thank you for stopping by. We are not cooking in the kitchen today. We are cooking outside today. It's a lovely day. It's a beautiful day. Guys, garam masala is bunji in here for our chicken curry. Our masala is bunji up now, so we are going in with the chicken. You want some coffee?
You there sleep, we don't want
Hey, you take me out, you go right too?
Yeah, we go.
Here we can marry. I will sleep on 2 hours in 10 o'clock.
That's how time you need to.
You talk about me like you said, you love the wife.
So we are going in with some curry leaves. And we are putting some wood spice in here. Some cinnamon sticks. And also we're going to add some tomato paste. Tomato paste. And we're gonna add salt to taste. Sea salt. This chicken curry smells good, guys. It smells amazing. So guys, we turn it up and then we're gonna cover this chicken curry and we're gonna leave it to bunge down. So guys, it's look really nice. We're gonna add in the potato into it.
You done? Right.
Okay guys, so everything in the chicken curry, so we're gonna turn it up now and then we're gonna cover it and leave it to bunge. You gotta bunge low down, all the water gotta burn out. Okay, so here guys, we are making some rice here. We are cooking some rice. Some white rice here too, so we can eat it with the chicken curry. Okay. So guys, we had to take out the potato. It's already cooked. Here the rice. I'm gonna cut this side. And we just add the water to the curry. And this is the chicken curry. So we still have to cook more down, have a lot of water. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it to cook down. Here's my curry, guys. Chicken curry.
Don't do that, go with it, like you can.
It's coming up nice, guys. It smells amazing and it looks delicious. In the meantime, I'm checking in with the chicken curry.
We're gonna put the potato and shell and some of the
For garnish, okay. We take out the potato from the curry, guys, because the potato start to lose up. So when the curry finished, we're gonna add the potato. So guys, we are going with the potato now. We had to take the potato out because it's all starting to lose up. So all my seasoning, guys, I had used in this chicken curry is our organic. This seasoning I had planted in my backyard. Broadleaf thyme, cardamom, fine leaf thyme, basil, parsley. These all I had picked in my backyard. Also the pepper also. Shallot also. So it's all organic. This here is cooking up for the duck curry here. We are garnishing with some shallot. So guys, today we are making chicken curry, we are making duck curry, we also going to make fried shrimp with fried breadfruit, and we also going to do some snapper. We also going to do some fried snapper. So everything is going to be in separate video or the description. All the ingredients will list in the description box. Like and share and subscribe, guys. From the kitchen. Chicken curry, guys, looks good, looks amazing, lovely, and I know it's going to taste great. So guys, this is my final product, curry chicken. It looks good and it looks amazing. Thanks to my sister-in-law who had helped me here with this curry here today. So we have two guys here. They're gonna taste this curry and they're gonna give you your feedback how it is.
Let me see. We're gonna give you a right out the grill right here. You ready, Dave?
Ladies and gentlemen, organic backyard Jersey style. Backyard style. I'm gonna do the tasting now. It look good, it smell good, and it's gonna taste good. Cheers. I know everybody gonna be hungry.
Yes, everybody be hungry with this chicken curry here today.
I'm sorry guys, you know, I'm gonna do the tasting for you.
Real good. Can't get better than this.
And cheers.
Anything better than this is no good.
With
This is the best.
red stripe. Can't go wrong.
Cheers, guys.
Thanks to my brother
Come,
and
Dave.
my sister-in-law. Dave, cheers.
So today, guys, we had make duck curry, chicken curry, and we also gonna make fried breadfruit with fried shrimp. We also gonna make some fried snapper, but every dish is gonna be in different videos. So this is the chicken curry we had finished with the white rice we had shown you guys earlier.
Give me half of your pepper.
Cheers.
Say it back at the say cheers again. My video.
Cheers, ladies and gentlemen.
Cheers.
Tastes good, it look good, the best. chicken curry. Outdoor Jersey style, backyard style.
Yes, guys, we are not cooking in the kitchen today. We are cooking in the backyard today. So we are having a blast. We are having a fun day.
Chicken curry is good.
So guys, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe.